The best thing about Wales is its people. Those who love us, make us, and shape us. And we care about them. Their dignity, their future, their hopes, their dreams. That's what brought me into politics. People. I am who I am today because of where I came from. My story is very much like yours. A working class family, free school meals, and a mum who's now a full-time carer for my elderly dad.
I've been a carer for my husband, Rufus, for 7 years. I was a sort of a person that I liked to have my freedom to go out. And just simple things. I mean, it was lovely. It was a happy life. And it was a happy life with my husband. And then this dementia came in. And as the years have gone on and I have to look after him all the time, I've now lost all my identity.
Through my parents, I see a social care crisis. Through my son, I'm driven to work harder for a world-class education system and to invest in it. I want all children in Wales to have the opportunities I had, to reach their potential wherever they're from. No child or young person in Wales should be left behind. The Wales we live in today isn't as good as it gets. The Labour Party, who once stood up for a family like mine, has failed us. They failed our NHS and our doctors and nurses. That's your family member waiting longer than expected for life-saving treatment and frontline staff held back by a health minister in denial about the scale of the problem. They failed to get our children to the same levels as England, Scotland and Northern Ireland in literacy, numeracy and science. Where I see injustice, I will speak up for you because it's what I've always done. It's why I do what I do. The new Wales Plaid Cymru will build will bring opportunity to our youth and dignity to those in old age. A society which brings out the best in its people and offers them the best in return every step from cradle to grave. Change will only come when Wales finds its voice. Where the other parties put Wales last, Plaid Cymru will put our people first. Our mothers, our fathers, our daughters, our sons. Because it's our future. Change is possible. Change is coming. And we'll win it together by voting Plaid Cymru.